In this video, you will learn the essential building blocks of the English language, the 8 parts of speech. We will break down everything from nouns and verbs to those tricky prepositions and conjunctions using simple definitions and clear examples. Whether you are preparing for the IELTS or just want to speak more fluently, this guide will show you exactly how to structure your sentences like a pro. Let's dive in. 1. Noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Maria smiled. We visited the park. The cat slept. Love is powerful. The teacher laughed. The ocean is vast. My phone is ringing. Honesty is the best policy. We went to London last summer. The pizza smelled delicious. 2. Pronoun. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. She is happy. He runs fast. It is raining. They are my friends. We love reading. You are doing a great job. Everyone enjoyed the party. This book is mine. Who is at the door? Myself was the only one there. 3. Verb. A verb expresses action, occurrence, or a state of being. Birds fly. The baby cried. She runs daily. He is tired. The accident happened. They dance every Friday. I think about the future. She wrote a long letter. The sun shines brightly. We became good friends. 4. Adjective. An adjective describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. The happy child laughed. She has a red dress. The tall tree sways. He adopted a small dog. They saw a bright star. The delicious cake was gone quickly. That is an expensive watch. He is a brave firefighter. The room was dark and cold. I saw a huge elephant at the zoo. 5. Adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. She ran quickly. She spoke softly. The dog barked loudly. She is very happy. She runs very fast. He finished the race first. They arrived late for the meeting. She looked everywhere for her keys. I always drink water in the morning. The cat moved silently across the floor. 6. Preposition. A preposition shows relationship and location. The cat is under the table. She sat beside me. The book is on the desk. We walked through the park. The ball rolled into the yard. The keys are inside the drawer. We stood against the wall. The plane flew above the clouds. She walked across the street. The shop is near the station. 7. Conjunction. Conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. I like tea and coffee. She ran but fell. Do you want cake or pie? He tried but failed. I stayed home because it rained. I will go if you go. He is small yet very strong. I haven't seen him since yesterday. You can have tea nor coffee. Although it was cold, we went swimming. 8. Interjection. Interjection expresses sudden emotion or feeling. Wow, that is amazing. Oh, I forgot my keys. Ouch, that hurt. Yay, we won. Oops, I dropped it. Bingo, that's exactly what I meant. That tastes terrible. Hooray, school is over for the summer. Phew, that was a close call. Alas, the journey has come to an end. Summary. Noun. Names a person, place, thing, or idea, like Maria, park, cat. Pronoun. Replaces a noun to avoid repetition, like she, it, they. Verb. Expresses action or a state of being, like fly, runs, is. Adjective describes or modifies a noun, like happy, red, tall. Adverb modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb, like quickly, softly, very. Preposition shows relationship and location, like under, on, through. Conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses, like and, but, because. Interjection expresses sudden emotion or feeling, like wow, ouch, oops. Call to action. Like this video if it helped you understand these words. Comment a sentence using one of these words. Subscribe for more clear and practical English lessons.